Exploring patentable aspects of 3D printing materials. The key categories of 3D printing materials include polymers like PLA and ABS, metals such as stainless steel and titanium, ceramics like alumina, and composites like carbon fiber reinforced plastics. Patentable innovations in material formulation include new stronger, lighter composites, eco-friendly bio-based materials, and advanced properties like heat resistance and flexibility. Innovations in material processing include custom blends for improved print quality, post-processing enhancements for added strength, and optimizing material compatibility across different 3D printing technologies. Challenges in patenting 3D printing materials include proving novelty, addressing technical complexity through extensive testing, and navigating regulatory hurdles across industries. Collaborate with experienced patent attorneys and R&D teams to refine claims and secure comprehensive protection, while staying informed on emerging technologies and patent law trends. Contact us today to streamline your patent process and safeguard your innovations.